Good morning, my green buddies. I'm standing next to a small tree that many of you would recognize at the first glance. Yes, it's the Christmas tree. Not many trees would be as popular as the Christmas tree despite not having much utility value. Christmas tree can grow in almost any type of soil, but loamy soil is ideal. Always keep the soil moist. The soil should be well drained, fertile and rich in organic content for growing the plant. In fact, we have repotted the tree from a smaller to a larger container. You may also do so as per the size requirement of the tree. We feed our Christmas tree once or twice a year with all-purpose fertilizer like cow dung manure. That's all. Compost can be added to increase nutrient levels. However, the plant doesn't need much fertilizing. The young leaves are needle-like, whereas the broader adult leaves are triangular and scale-like. Keep the plant in natural indirect bright light. Look how we have shielded our tree from direct light using some other foliage plants. We water it when the upper 2 inches feel dry to touch. That would be every alternate day in summers and once a week in winters in North India. At least 3 to 6 hours of preferably morning sunlight a day is ideal for the plant to grow, as well as natural bright light for the rest of the day. Did you know that there is no specific tree that is called the Christmas tree? Christmas trees can be different types of trees, but are usually pines or spruces. I'm sure this will be great to have in your garden. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.